Hello everyone, I am super excited to share with you my first hand lettering book, which is out now for you all to buy. So I've been working on this project from quite some time and it's finally out, so I am super happy, and I wanted to share the happiness with you all by showing you a little bit inside the book. And so we'll just quickly go through what all it covers and what all you will be learning inside the book. So there are many hand lettering books which are out there in the market now, but yes, I covered a little bit of basics, so very few pages which shows you the basics of hand lettering and few different styles. And I'm talking about what pens you can use and the paper, everything in detail. And then we can just practice a few lettering here, which I'm showing you right now. So we have basic, bouncy, and faux calligraphy and flourishing. So these are the 4 styles which you will be able to learn. And then it covers mainly all these projects which I've worked on. So I have about 15 projects. And as you can see, there are pictures included with step-by-step instructions which are super easy to follow and create the similar projects. So I've made it very easy for you, and you're learning many different techniques. So as you can see, they all have something very different to it. I'm using glitter, I'm using many other mediums. And also I want to talk about this pen which comes with the book. There is an option where you can buy the book without the pen as well, but it's a good thing to have with the book because I'm showing you 2 projects which only in which I will only be using this pen. That'll be nice. So yes guys, I'm super happy, and it's finally out now. So I will leave a link below for all of you. Thank you so much once again for watching the video, and I hope you will enjoy the book. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, and bye.